Today we're going to practice changing the final sound in our words. So the first word is hip. I want you to change the p to a t. What's the new word? Hit. Now be careful if you're having a hard time. Remember, you can go h, I, p, and then we're changing the p, so we can keep h, I, and Miss Black said p changes to t, so we do h, I, t, hit. Okay, now let's do the next one. The word is bun. I want you to change the n to a g. What's the new word? Bug. The word is cat. I want you to change the t to n. What's the new word? Can. Now if you're getting gnat, you're changing the first sound. We want to change the last sound. Can. All right, last one for today. The word is wet. Change the t to a b. And what's the new word? Web.